Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. This isn't a tutorial. This isn't a product launch. This is just me sitting down and having a real conversation with my community because I feel like you all have been on this journey with me since the beginning and I owe you to be honest and transparent about a big decision that I have made for my business. You may have noticed that my shop has been changing. Some products has disappeared. Honestly, 90% of my products are gone. Things look a little different and you may be wondering, wait, is Alexandria not selling stationery anymore? Um, that's not the case. Yes and no, okay? So this decision may seem so sudden because I just recently posted my rebranding and relaunching video a few days ago, but that video was actually recorded over a 2 to 3 month span. So that's why this kind of seems a little odd. And during that recording, that actually made me realize how much time I was spending on creating the products and how I was neglecting my duty as a teacher to my community. It was getting so bad to where I wasn't posting long form videos anymore or as often. I was responding to little to no comments like I normally would do. And I wanted to come on here and explain what's happening, why I've made this decision, and honestly share what has been going through my mind behind the scenes. First, I just want to say thank you, okay? Because when I started Smith Signature Prints, I never imagined it would become what it is today. I started this business because I love creating, I love designing cute stationery, making stickers, packing orders, and seeing someone get so excited over something I created with my own hands. There is something special about creating something from nothing, taking an idea in my head, turning it to a design, printing it, packaging it, sending it to someone who is excited to receive it. That feeling is 100% incredible. And I will always love that part of my journey. Over time, my business started growing and changing, and I started to realize something about myself. The part of this business that excited me the most wasn't about selling, it was teaching. It was when someone would message me and say, "You inspired me to start my business," or "I watched your tutorial and I finally learned how to do this," or "Your video gives me the confidence to even get up and try." Those moments actually mean so much to me. So I think sometimes as entrepreneurs, we feel like once we start something, we have to keep it going forever. Like if we started selling products, we have to always sell products. If we started an Etsy shop, we always have to sell on Etsy. If something worked before, we feel like we can't change it. But the truth is businesses evolve because people evolve. And I had to be honest with myself. I had to ask myself, what part of my business brings me the most joy? What do I feel called to do more of? And every single time the answer is teaching. I love creating products, but I get a different type of excitement when I teach. When I create a tutorial, when I break something down for someone that's a beginner, when I help someone avoid mistakes that I have made, it just lights me up. And I realized that maybe my next chapter isn't about creating more products. Maybe it's just about helping more people create their own products. I want to be really, really honest though. This decision was not easy because when you spent years, a year and a half, almost 2 years building something, it's emotional. There are memories attached to everything, every sticker sheet, every notepad, every order, every customer, every late night working on designs, because I used to go to bed at like 4 and 5 in the morning working on these things. It's not just inventory, it's a chapter of my life. And I think sometimes people see entrepreneurs make changes and think, oh, they're just switching direction. But behind every pivot, there are always months of thinking, praying, questioning, and trying to figure out what makes the most sense. I had to give myself permission to stop doing things just because I felt like I was supposed to do it. I had to stop asking, what will people think? And start asking, what direction do I feel called to go in? So what does this mean for Smith Signature Prints? I'm not disappearing. I'm not quitting stationery. I love stationery, as you all know, and I always will, but I will be downsizing my inventory. As you see in this video, I will be doing a mystery box clearance sale to clear out all of my remaining inventory. This is a chance for you guys to grab some of my products at an amazing price because once these items are gone, they will not be restocked. But I also want to share something exciting. I will still be creating seasonal grab bags because honestly, you all have shown shown me that those are your favorite products. They have consistently been my #1 sellers, and I love creating them. I love putting together a surprise collection and making something fun just for you guys. So what does the future look like for me? My goal is to grow my teaching community. I want to create more tutorials, more courses, more resources, more beginner friendly content. I want to help the person who is sitting at home saying, I have an idea, but I don't know where to start. I want to start a stationery business, but I'm scared. I don't know what equipment I need. I don't know how to make my first sale, because I was that person. I'm currently working on many workshops. They're not available yet, but if you would like to sign up for the wait list, just head to my website. The link is down below and sign up for the wait list. Also, if you guys didn't already know, I do actually host a free crafting community on Discord. I do have that link down below, and it's full of people from all walks of life that is just ready to help and support you guys. So if you're interested, go ahead and join today. I remember starting and figuring out the hard way, making mistakes, spending money on things I didn't need, learning through trial and error. And if I can make that journey easier for someone else, this is what I want to do. I honestly feel like this next chapter is going to be one of the most exciting seasons of my business. I'm not closing a door, I'm opening a bigger one. I'm moving from just creating products to creating impact. And again, you guys, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who's purchased a sticker. Thank you to everyone who has bought a notepad. Thank you for everyone who watched my tutorials then and now. Thank you to everyone who has supported me when I was just figuring things out. You have helped me build my dream, you guys. And if you're someone who wants to learn, create, start a business, or just follow along as I build this new chapter, I would love for you to stay, because I have so many exciting things planned. This is just the beginning. This is a gift that God has given me, and I definitely want to expand on it. I want to build a community where someone who is brand new doesn't feel overwhelmed, where someone who has an idea but just doesn't know where to find the right answers, where someone thinks, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough experience, I don't have the right equipment, I don't even know where to begin, honestly, because you guys already know I started with nothing. So I definitely can guide you in the right direction. You don't have to have fancy equipment. You don't have to have top of the line printers. You can create magic with just the bare minimum, basic, budget friendly equipment. Because I remember being in that place. I remember searching for answers. I remember watching videos trying to figure everything out. I remember making mistakes. I remember learning lessons the hard way. And honestly, those experiences are exactly why I want to teach you guys. I don't want to create a space where people feel like they have to be perfect before they start, because I wasn't perfect. I didn't have everything figured out. I learned everything along the way, and I want people to know that they can do the same. Another thing I want to talk about is comparison, because I think every entrepreneur struggles with this at some point in their business journey. You look around and you see other people growing faster. You see people launching new products. You see people hitting their goals. And sometimes you start questioning yourself. You start thinking, am I behind? Should I be doing more? Why isn't my journey moving faster? But I've learned that your journey is not supposed to look like everyone else's. What works for one person may not work for you. Sometimes the biggest breakthrough happens when you stop trying to copy someone else's path and start listening to where you're being led. And that's exactly where I am right now. I'm choosing alignment over pressure. I'm choosing purpose over trying to do everything. I'm choosing to build something that allows me to serve people in a bigger way. Does that mean I won't miss creating products as often as I do? Absolutely not. There will always be a part of me that loves making cute stationery. I will always love the creativity. I will always love the community that comes from this. But I'm so excited because I know this next season is going to allow me to create in a different way. So instead of spending all my time behind the scenes making hundreds of products, I have more time to show up. I have more time to teach. I have more time to answer questions and answer all you guys' comments. I have more time to create content. I have more time to pour into my community. And honestly, this is what excites me the most. The thought that one video could help someone start their business, one tutorial can save someone hours of frustration, one course could give someone the confidence to finally take that leap of faith and action, this is what motivates me and hopefully what motivates you. So if you've been here supporting me through my product journey, I want you to know something. You are still a part of my next chapter. This isn't me leaving behind everything we've built together. This is me taking everything we built and expanding it. I truly believe that some of the best chapters of our lives happen when we have the courage to make those adjustments and changes. Even when those changes can be scary, even when people don't understand the change, even when we have to say goodbye to something that feels so familiar. And I hope that if you're watching this and you're in a season where you're feeling called to change something, I hope you give yourself permission to listen. You don't have to stay stuck just because something worked before. You are allowed to grow, you guys. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to step into a new season. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Again, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for growing with me. And I cannot wait to show you what's next. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.